Step 1. Place the wooden piece numbering 1 on the floor. Put wooden dowels in all wooden holes, cam locks in large wooden holes. Then attach cam screw in all the holes with white rings. Step 2. Attach part 2 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 3. Then attach part 3 to part 1 as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam locks. Step 4. Then attach part for billion. 567,891,011 to part 2 and part 3 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam lock. Step 5. After that, attach part 12 to part 411, then use as screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 6. After that, attach part 13 to part 41,112, then use as screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 7. Attach part 14 to 4, part as shown in the figure, then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 8. Attach part 15 to 11, part as shown in the figure, then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Your cupboard is ready to use. Thank you.